Hi, good day, good afternoon, everybody. Hope you all are good. Me again. Yes. So today I've got a special guest, and today we're gonna do something totally different. I'm gonna show you guys today how to make amarula. Okay. So yeah, but first, please press the like and subscribe button at the bottom. Like, subscribe, and yeah, and you can share it along. Thank you all for watching my videos. Yes. So today, yes, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Amerula. What you've been needing is a whiskey, half a bottle of whiskey, um, a coffee, like a strong coffee, a tin of condensed milk, a whisk. Remember this whisk, not the dingetje whisk. And then my jug. Half a bottle actually makes a one bottle of Amerula, and a 200 say a cup of milk. Yes. So what we're gonna be doing now is we're gonna take half of the whiskey, pour half of the whiskey in the jug. You just see half. Ja, so vandag het ek 'n special guest. My vriendin Christina. Sy gaan vandag my teste wees. My bokkie mis uit vandag om te tes. Maar okay, ja, ek mis nog as vir hom ook. So deur die dag. Weekends gaat te gou man. Okay, what you do is you take, okay, pour the whiskey in. Take the condensed milk. Open it. You pour it with the shivets. Yes, okay, pour it with the whiskey. Then you take like say 100 mils of milk. You pour it in the, I think this is more or less 100. In the, yeah, in the pot, and we're gonna put it on the stove with say about 3 to 4 heaps of coffee. Yeah, about 4 heaps of coffee. Can you guys see? Okay. Yes, so I'm gonna put it on the stove just to heat it up a little bit. Okay. Christina, waar is jy? Is so seker. Sy kon spyskat, sy kon nou. Unfortunately, mense, die position is gevat. It was vacant. But unfortunately, the job was taken. Vacant taken, yo. And I'm a poet also. And I never didn't know. Yeah, so, oh, let me just see the milk. Okay. So the coffee has dissolved. Hi guys, so yes, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Thanks a lot. Okay, as you can see, the color of the coffee, the milk. You can use fresh cream milk, or you can use, this is fresh cream milk, you can use fresh cream. Supposed to use fresh cream milk. Okay. Yeah. So yes. So we stir this, and then you put the rest of the coffee the milk. Put the rest of the milk in. So when you stir the thing, stir the whiskey and the condensed milk. Give it a very good stir, yes. Okay, so I'm going to bietjies in. Al die bietjies word ingegooi. Okay, Christine, wat kan jy vir my sê, Christine? Daar sy. Say hello. Hi guys. Yeah, this is gonna be my new taster. She's gonna do the tasting today. Very excited about it. So yeah, die job is klaar gevat, mense, sorry. Yeah, good stir. Yeah. And you pour everything together. It's gonna be a little bit warm now, so yeah, we sit in for afternoon. Yeah, okay. It literally thickens up when you put it in the freezer. Yeah. Oh, lovely, awesome stuff. Okay, so yes, now it's done. So now we're gonna taste. Some ice blocks. You can have it crushed ice. Unfortunately, it can only crush in it, but the ice can't crush it. En die drankie gaan baie lekker op somers aan. Baie lekker op somers aan. So mense se favorites. Sal die name noem nie. And dis nou op national TV. Okay, en we pour it on the okay, and then some with a dash of milk. Oh, het moet lekker ijskoud wees, but unfortunately gaan ons nou die kans kry om het nog ijskoud te laat raak nie. Christine! Is die tyd? Is die tyd, jong! Okay. Muchachos, muchachos, wat? Muchachos, muchachos, laat het val waar het wil. Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. Bottoms up. Cheers. Cheers. Oh yes. Oh yes. Waarom je? Waarom is dat dan Pedro? But it tastes like very nice. Divine. Thank you. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay? And yeah. Very, very nice. Enjoying it, my friend? Yeah. Two friends for years. Yeah. Please guys, like and subscribe, please. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos.